how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to transfer your Solana, which is this one over here, to Binance. So what you're going to do is you're going to select transfer crypto option over here, which will allow you to deposit crypto from another wallet or exchange. So as you can see, simply select Solana, and this is your Solana address. So simply going to copy this, and basically you're going to either in Binance or whichever one you want, and click on send over here. But based on our title, we're going to be sending from Phantom Wallet. So simply select Solana and enter the recipient Solana address. They will also have their own Solana address, similarly with what we saw earlier. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.